Naghahanap ka rin ba ng ready for occupancy na single attached unit na available sa Pag-ibig at Bank Financing along highway at exclusive ang community, malapit lang sa Metro Manila at airport at higit sa lahat, complete finish na ang turnover kaya naman lilipatan mo na lang to. If yan nga ang hanap mo, then I'm pretty sure this unit is meant for you. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, and for today, nag-iisang reopen unit here in Riverlane Trail, General Trias ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. What you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover na ng unit, kaya naman wala ka ng kahasal-hasal. By the way, may lot area ka na 113 square meters para sa reopen unit natin at may floor area ka naman na 75 square meters. May total of 4 bedrooms to kasama yung maid's room na nasa ground floor. And the best part, may 3 toilet and bath, 1 in the master's bedroom. O diba, bongga, plus may provision ka pa for 1 to 2 carport kasi nga malaki rin yung lote na meron tayo. And isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, pwede to sa Pag-ibig at Bank Financing, which is later i-discuss ko sa inyo. Nalong panalo ka rin sa community kasi bukod sa along highway to, roughly around 300 units lang ang mga residential houses. May commercial space din sa pinaka main entrance and existing ng subdivision. At dahil nga along highway lang to, madali lang ang biyahe going in and out of Metro Manila. Malapit lang nito sa future Central Business District na ginagawa dito ngayon sa Cavite. At kung tatanungin mo naman ng presyo, ang package price natin ay 6.3 million at pwede yan sa Pag-ibig at Bank Financing. Reservation is 30,000 pesos only at pwede yung payable ng 18 months. Kung nagmamadali ka namang lumipat, pwedeng spot mo ang remaining DP natin. Through Pag-ibig Financing, pumapatak ng 23,000 if 25 years to pay. Medyo malaki ang required down payment dahil mababa na lang pagdating sa monthly amortization. Sa bank naman, pumapatak tayo ng 40,000 if 20 years to pay. Required income is 66,000 up to 121,000. Yes, pwede mag-co-borrower to meet the required income. So paano? Tara tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!